Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana, the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with week 4 of my 2023 Project Life album. I've already pre-printed my pictures with my selfie printer and just quickly arranging my pictures. And this week I'm using Elle Studios January kit. I only have a couple more cards left, which will probably be done next week, documenting week 5. There's like a couple days left in January, but then I will completely have used up all the kit, and I'm actually excited because I really want to try to finish up what I have before ordering anything new. So I have less space now to house things, and so I want to be mindful of that. Sorry, that was my phone. I apologize for that. So I'm just quickly entering these two pictures together. I use washi tape, and Sunday my son had his baptism preview. He will be getting baptized this year, and so I love that picture of him. They had a little backdrop with different streamers with colors of the rainbow, and it looked cute, and I just had to take a picture of my son with it, so he was actually pretty excited. And then later in that week, the picture below that is a picture of my daughter with all her cheer squad. She's in the varsity team, and they won the CIF champions, and so Division 4, so they're the champions, and so they decided that they would all get together and take pictures with their hats. They're waiting for their rings and their patch. They already got their patches for their jackets, so super excited for that. Then the picture below that, I'm just going in order here, is a picture of me and my husband. We went out on our date night to House of Juju's downtown, and we absolutely loved it. It was great. I ordered some shrimp tacos, and he ordered the fish tacos, and so we ate 2, and then we gave each other 1 so that we could try it, and then we shared clam chowder in a bread bowl, and that was super yummy. Then following along, the top pictures on the top on the right hand side is a picture of my boys. They both got awards. My oldest son got a writing award, and my youngest son got Tiger Roars for responsibility, kind of like student of the month, and his teacher had nothing but great things to say about him, so that was really nice. Both of my boys were surprised. They weren't expecting them, and it was great to see their expressions when they got their names called out, so that was great. And even more surprised that I was there, because now that I started working, they probably thought that I wasn't going to be there, but when they saw, there I was, and so that was a really neat surprise for them, so I was really happy to be there. This picture here that I have in front of me, putting a little enamel dot, is a picture of my daughter. She is taking art, and she drew this eye, and it just looks so lifelike. It's beautiful, honestly. I'm just like, goals. So I pulled out some Felicity Jane stickers, I believe they are, yes, word strips, and I put goals on that one, and then on the bottom right hand side is a picture of my daughter shopping, so I put a shopping sticker there, and then an enamel dot, and I kind of followed that same motif. I believe I put on the one with the cheer girls, happiness, I believe it said, and then just to mimic the same pattern on both sides of the protector sheets. And then I pulled out this stamp set. I believe it's from Everyday Explorers. It just says quotes from the August 2018 kit, and I decided to put heck yes for that one with my boys getting their awards. And then from the die cuts pieces from the kit, all I had left were these 3 little arrows, which I put on each of my kids, and then this little gray one that I put with my husband and my son playing basketball. Every day is a fresh start, and I will have completely used up all my die cut pieces, so I was super excited with that. And I decided to take out this other stamp. It said currently right now, but once I stamp it, I realized I stamped it upside down, so I was like, oh no. So I was like, okay, I'll just go through these Ali Edwards chipboard pieces, and decided to put this camera to cover it up. It was like perfect, it fit right in the circle. and so I could, you know, use the other side of the tag so it wouldn't look blank. And then I just added that word strip there just to add the same pattern, kind of make a you know, visual triangle there. And then I just added all my my cards in the protector sheets. Also, don't forget I have these 3x4 weekly cards. If you'd like to download yours, they're free for you to use. They're linked in my description box. Go ahead and click there and download your set. So yeah, it's a pretty easy layout. This one here is just a journaling card from the kit, just briefly journaling what happened for each day of the week, and so that went pretty quick. I have a couple more weeks to catch up. I believe I have week 5, 6, and 7. I just need to sit down and just hammer them out. But my thing is lighting. My desk is in front of a window, and I just need the perfect light. So I do try to do them at night sometimes, but the lighting's really harsh and there's just too much glare because of the protector sheet. So something needs to change. I need better lighting, or I just need better timing to do my videos. But anywho, this is pretty much it. I believe I just added one more picture on the right hand side. It was a quote, or it's like a poem reading that my daughter sent to me, and it was really beautiful. It just talks about like how the relationship with your mother, how it changes, and it was really special. She made me cry. I was like, oh my gosh, I love you, baby. So she's just like, love you, Mom. I just cherish all those text messages, because you think, you know, once they get older, you know, they just kind of forget about Mom. But it's really nice to know that she still thinks of me as, you know, like her best friend. So it's really touching, and I want to add those, and I want her and I to remember those times. So yeah, I just quickly added this card here just to back up this other one, just to give it, I don't know, more space around the pocket. Sometimes the pockets run small, sometimes they run big, so sometimes I'm trimming and sometimes I had to add. But anyway, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like what you see, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you want to stick around, there's more videos there on the screen. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.